Hello, it's me, Lady P. I want to say something. Words of advice because many things are going wrong. It's really going wrong in this social media. We need to advise ourselves. If I'm making a mistake, come to me. Let me know my mistake. Because when some people are going mistake, doing something that is not good, they don't know. Some of them know, they will pretend that they don't know anything, the wrong thing they are doing. My brothers and my sisters, we all are complaining. White people don't love us. White people don't love us. Do we really love ourselves? Do we love ourselves? Let's be truthful. Make we talk truth for each other. Let's say the truth. Do we love ourselves? We are preaching love. White people don't love us. This and this and this and that. We love ourselves. We love ourselves. Do we love ourselves? Do we love ourselves? I'm asking because maybe I don't know. What is all this? Everybody will come to social media to talk, to dig your yash and bring it out to the public. Is that fair? I said Nigeria, especially Nigerians. I'm talking about Nigerians. Is that good for we to be bringing ourselves out, disgracing ourselves? Is that good? The hatred we have for ourselves right from Nigeria, we still bring it down to this Europe. Imagine now, I see one Ghana boy, they take mat, go meet one of our sister. You will blame her? No. You will carry your fellow sister come out for inside social media, they scatter am. How you think say another person will take am? But I never see any Nigerian people interfere for Ghana people matter. I don't know if they do that. But for a Ghana boy to come out, they insult married woman, insult woman wey no be mate. You go blame her? No. Now we women, we blacks, now we carry ourselves come out. You know if you tell black person now your secret. If you tell her your secret, after you don't know everything about you, he go dey find you trouble. For him or her to say that secret out. And which is very bad of us. How long will we continue this hatred? How long? How long will we practice this hatred? You will hardly see any black or any Nigerian people who know they go church. So now all those things will they go learn for church? You will go church, carry Bible, go church, go pray to God. At the end, you will betray your fellow brother and your fellow sister. Is that how you were taught in the church you are going? Do you know for you to lie against somebody for no reason is a sin? Even if there is reason for you to lie against somebody, the karma is waiting for you. For you to judge somebody wrongly, the karma is also waiting for you. What are we killing ourselves for? This is something I keep on asking myself. What do they kill ourselves for? For social media. Which competition are they do? Which competition are they do? When I will make una na how they find in and out about person to bring her come on social media. Which competition? If one person wrong you, you don't carry phone caller. Because most of the social media, they bring out their numbers. I see it for offend me. I not like the way you talk to me. No. Rather than your brother come on social media, wow. You also don't want to disgrace that person. If you say you want to disgrace your fellow person, you did disgrace yourself too. Just mark it. For you to bring your fellow person out, your fellow human out, so you want to disgrace her. Now yourself you disgrace. You are just lowering your dignity. And not say, who did they beat me, not cry you. No. If they pinch you, come out and explain yourself. If they not near you, if they hit you, you get the kind of picture in the pinch person, not with that small picture. They really pinch. Come out. Explain yourself out. Not by saying, we could trust them, we could do this. No. At least, more social media women be small children, not small girls there, not underage. We are all adults. Why we know they respect ourselves? We know they respect our age. Woman don't pass 40, woman with 30 something, 28 upward. Not be small picking again. They say, what you not let person stop? Now they kill her. The bad thing will not let person stop. They kill her. All of them will fly for nowhere. Enter social media, begin talk rubbish. And all of them begin enter before I be happy. If I hear from this one, we hear from this one. But now they jealous on herself, now they heavy on herself. Another person will come out. You want use another person to climb. Because if you don't bring that person matter what basically don't take for social media, you know if you grow. So if you want to grow, you have to bring somebody out to insult that person, to form allegation on that person, just to grow up your channel. This is your channel when you want to grow up with evil. You think say it will all go away with you? If you want to grow up with your channel, must you do evil or must you talk lie against somebody? Must you lie against somebody? Is that good? So with this thing, what they always they bother me. If not you come out and they talk, I'll do the shame. Because not only Nigeria people there for social media. If it's not making us get sense, maybe the senior ones they get sense. If the senior ones not say get sense, maybe you want to say still be young person still get the sense. Nobody senior they get sense, eh? They say make person not pay evil with evil. Yes, it's truth. It's not good. If that person do you evil, you feel you talk to that person. If you want to talk to them with you want to talk to them. But say with evil, no. Because evil don't they pay. Say what is in your mind out and forget about it. Don't keep on for mind. Use until they worry the person they do. No. Just say it out and free your heart. Because the person like, no, you offend me. I have to say it out too. If I say it out, that is the end. I want to find person trouble, but not find me. Yeah. So, even if I say not find me, not be say I will come on social media, come to disgrace ourselves. No, no. My fellow women, you will have to wake up because I can see most of us here that they sleep. You know, if they sleep, you close your eye, can't they operate social media? No, it's like you are acting blindly. Open your eye and think. Use your brain to talk. Not talk on social media, can't they show you Agbero life? Not on social media, can't they misbehave? They do like say, now you get pass. If you get money, now for your pocket. If you get mansions, now for yourself. Many people when they die today, they not bury has join them. When we say that they come social media, they boast, I get this one, I get that one. People won't even get them, they will talk. Because now us now when we black now they talk about social media say now so we build mansion for Nigeria, now so we build this one. Now they take until they affect the ones when you they come when they under asylum and the white people say and now so they do. They come and come make money. Now not say the way Nigeria people they pass they suffer for asylum matter. The way Nigeria they suffer, they pass through stress. Which other country they suffer like that? Eh? Because you notice say this social media, now only Nigeria for the watch am. Even go rich people when be say they take care of immigrants, they watch. Make una mind the kind things when we say now they talk, eh? Make una only evolve people when we say now if now don't done finish. The ones when they have never done, make una only evolve them. Who rich, make it rich for inside your house. At least nobody come beg you food, me you feed them. If anybody come beg you food, me you give them. If you like to give, you give. If you don't like to give, leave. Not be say you constantly even give the person food, you constantly come and say, now so I give this one food, me chop. Tomorrow you see Kaiba when they go church. Now to go show pastor say, I want to pay tithe of 5 million. But your own fellow person, they even hungry. You know if you give them food chop. We should change this our way, the way we behave. Change your way. Nigerians especially. Try to love yourselves. Make una love una self. Make una dey find person underground. Make una dey look for somebody yansh to smell. Smell your own. Smell your yansh. Don't smell that person yansh dey go. It's not good. Because you when they find person yansh when they smell they go. If you see bad person when you get 3 nose for one nose, smell your own. You're too much for you. And make who be senior. If you want to do something for people, do it with your mind and forget about appreciation. Even me, and they talk am before. If I don't see a person, the person don't appreciate me. They pay me. They pay me. But I look and say, get a person will grow rich. You say, I will still keep on doing. I beg you appreciate, not appreciate. That what you don't want me. My God, I do it for. Yes, anything when you do, now God, now you do it for. And try to stop evil mind. Our Nigeria people stop evil hearts. And some people they are very, very greedy. They will want you to help them, but no fit help you. Such people, run for them. Our people just dey here. How they will take bring their own fellow person down for this Europe? Then they fine. Because they know say they will know better for them. You when they go lie for social worker, your time they come. And you think say social worker they will love you. for you to go they spoil your own fellow person to all these white people. You think say they will love you. You know say they will feel for their mind. For you to betray your own fellow black, you can also betray them. They are not stupid. These white people, they are not stupid. They will give you listening ear and they will investigate. So stop to this lie against your fellow human being. Stop all these liars. Even if you and your fellow person have misunderstanding, it's not good for you to go to carry the person matter, go to talk. It's not good. It's not good. We have to stop this nonsense. It's one of my words of advice which I want to give my fellow people. Because we'll be one. We'll be one for God's sake. We'll be one. Or we came here for one or two reasons. We will face that one. Even if you get document, don't mean say make you oppress the ones who be saying not get. Day when you break today, tomorrow you know the one will break tomorrow. If you say this person, you look and down, but you don't know what you'll go ask of that person tomorrow. When I stop this nonsense, to the lie against each other, to they find somebody on the ground, to they bring ourselves on social media, they disgrace ourselves up and down, people have to stop it. It's not good. If somebody offends you, I don't feel to come before, call the person. If the person don't give you listening here, you feel talk without mentioning somebody's name, and that person will say, nah, him or her, that you talk to. Try to work with the person. I call you. I want to explain something for you. You not agree. And see what you do me. I not like him. The way they do this thing, the way they do this thing, I not like him. Don't mention name. Forget it. You leave that person. Maybe with time that person will call you and apologize. Most people that person come and come to talk. But people will like gossip, people will like lie. Maybe that person with that person don't get misunderstanding before. They begin come out, they call. They pump trouble for una body, make una dey quarrel. Two people will just dey play na before you just scatter. Wetin, which kind of spirit dey for this social media? Me, I just start. Me never know. You get that spirit when you attach to this social media, when be say it just a manipulate all of una. The one you see say, this one say get sense more. Before you know, the brain just scatter. Before you know, you don't begin to have they misbehave. The way you're supposed to say, maybe this one will say they try small. Before you know, that person character doesn't spoil. I know say many of us will make mistake, but we will not use that mistake to judge that person. That person can you feel just amend his or her way. I don't see as I know of a lady here. She make mistake for her past, but now she correct herself. Nobody tell her. She correct herself. I love such people when we say, if you do something wrong, and you will not say, this thing when I do so, you did wrong, you quickly amend your way, and it's good. And some people, they don't get shame. Even if you tell them, say, I see you, you show their nakedness for public, they don't get shame. People, they like that. And such people, they be demon. They don't be human beings. People will see even they communicate with such people and they pity them. Maybe no, everybody get their own group. Maybe not their group where they belong to. How can somebody not get single shame for face? You will still come on social media and they talk when you know say your nyash dirty from one corner. And you know what change. You see the talk. If you know, say as you know now, say people don't know your mistake, and they don't say you don't try for so place like this. I made your way and come out and apologize and be calm. Do your work we want for social media and forget saga. Do your work we want to do. Face your work we want to do. If you know who couple they do, face it. Anything we want to do for social media, face it. No, they use people matter to promote your China. Your channel not mean say, may you can't use people matter come to the promoter. Face your work. Make everybody face his or her work. And it's too much now. Must we be fooling ourselves? And the ones when you know say you don't get patience when somebody talk to them for phone. To be when they advise say calm down. When they advise you, calm down. No go listen they advise you. Ma will call you, say calm down. You calm down. What will they pursue for this social media? What now they pursue? What did they decide when they pursue? What be say they pursue now? When the social media never start, now they eat. When the social media never start, now they work. And not say many of them they even they work. Which one else can't die for the social media? They bring themselves come out. It's not good. Do your work. Do what you face carry you on the social media. This social media will they enter to make sure say people whether people don't still know, they'll still know through the social media. Not be to come they bring ourselves to come up love our nyash. It's not good. We will change our way. It's not good, eh? It's not good at all. Especially my Nigerian people, it's not good. Change your way. This hatred, we're gonna stop am. Now it not make Nigeria better so. Now make Nigeria be like that so. Hatred, discrimination. For you to discriminate what God creates is a sin. You know if you create ants. Ants, you don't fit create them. What if God just creates? You say na evil. Na so be na bad people. Isha na bad people. Igbo na bad people. Hausa na bad people. What still you don't fit create for your life? Ants, you don't fit create them. When you be say na a whole tribe, you just condemn her. If you want person offend you for the don't mean say all of them are bad people. Nowhere bad, not there. Nowhere bad, not there. Even go reach this Europe, these white people. Bad and good still there. Good ones still there. Bad ones still there. Likewise, we, Nigeria, bad ones even many pass the good ones. Nigeria mafia because of money. Kill your fellow human being because of money. You will betray the friend. So the other say will kill her. Oyibo and the thoughts, Oyibo love themselves. If they not watch, if someone does not show the love to you, but they love themselves. Nigeria, do you love yourself? Do you love yourself and you define who want love you? How all these things when I do on social media, you say they see them, they watch them. Now all these things they use they disturb us. They'll say, oh now why not love ourselves and if I no one love now. The other people when we say these people they love now, this is what people love. They love themselves. They love themselves. The Turkish, they love themselves. All these fake Oyibo, they love themselves. But Nigeria, we not love themselves. No. Even Ghanaians, they love themselves past night the way Nigeria love themselves. Nigeria don't love themselves. We could not change. We could not let love and peace reign. The day Nigeria will realize what the meaning of love, the meaning of peace, the day when they will still know how to love each other, stop to discriminate, it will be a better place for us. Nigeria is going to be a better place for us if we stop the discrimination and we stop to hate. Would you say God is happy? We are the first creation. Blacks. You think say God now, where He spend the whole time create us, He go dey look us now the way we dey kill ourselves and He go be happy. He was okay, make una do wetin una like. If una tire, now remember me. Now make things, everything remain stand still. Because why? The love never did there. The day the love will start and the peace will start, you will see say God will answer our prayer. You know see how church is many for Nigeria. You get street will be say church not there for Nigeria. Why Nigeria still remain like that? Now they ask myself. As we dey pray reach, now we say God won't answer our prayer. How will answer our prayer when we say our heart is full of dirty? You pray for one corner, how you take do very good on that person, now you dey fine. How God want to come help Nigeria? Because Nigeria need God. And God want to help Nigeria when we say there is no love within us. The day we will start to love, the day we will stop this hatred, Nigeria is going to be a better place for us. Nigeria is going to be a better place for us. We should stop this discrimination because now one God now creates Nigeria. Forget the tribes. God knows why He doing like that. So for you to say what God create not good, that means you are challenging God. You are not challenging that person. It's God you are challenging. So my brothers and my sisters, let love reign. Let's stop this discrimination. Let's stop discrimination for Nigeria to be a better place for us. For God to answer our prayer, we have to love first. When God sees that our love is so strong, He will answer our prayer for us. Because for now, even if you pray for nothing tomorrow, you can say it's working, I don't know. But for that Nigeria, you can work for you personally in your home. But to make Nigeria to be a better place, for God to intervene in that Nigeria, we have to love first. Show ourselves love. Through that love, we will draw God closer. Where there is no love, God cannot come to that place. God no fit come. Get love no dey, God no fit come. So before we dey say, God come down, come help us, God come help us, make we use our love, draw God to ourselves. Thank you, my brothers, my sisters. If you have any comments, maybe anything I say is wrong, you can comment and I will answer you. Try to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I just started, so just support your sister. We have many things we'll be teaching in this channel. This channel have so many things I'll be teaching here, but I'm so busy. I don't really have time. But because I have kids, if I'm free, I will come and teach what I want to teach here. I have a lot of things in my mind to do this channel. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the notification. Anytime I come online, you will be notified. Thank you, my brother and my sister. Let's love ourselves. Thank you.